Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make perfect medium rare steak. First, select a high-quality steak, at least 1½ inches thick, like a ribeye or New York strip. Allow your steak to sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes before cooking. This promotes even cooking. Thoroughly pat the steak dry with paper towels, then season generously on all sides with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. This crucial preparation sets the stage for an exceptional steak. Now, let's achieve that incredible crust. Place a cast iron skillet over high heat until it's smoking hot, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, such as grapeseed or avocado oil, to the pan. Carefully place your seasoned steak into the hot skillet. Sear each side for 2 to 3 minutes, creating a beautiful, deep brown crust that locks in all the juices and flavor. After searing, transfer your steak to a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a meat thermometer to monitor the internal temperature. For a perfect medium rare, aim for 125 degrees Fahrenheit. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes, depending on thickness. Once it reaches temperature, remove the steak and let it rest on a cutting board for at least 10 minutes. This resting period is vital for juicy, tender results. After resting, slice your steak against the grain into ½ inch thick pieces. You'll see that beautiful, warm red center, which is the hallmark of a perfectly cooked medium rare steak. The juices will be evenly distributed, ensuring every bite is tender and flavorful. Serve your masterpiece immediately with your preferred accompaniments, perhaps some roasted vegetables or a fresh salad. Enjoy the incredible taste of your perfectly prepared steak.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.